Alright, hello everyone out there. This is DayTraderRockStar for DayTradingRadio.com with a video here. Actually, we're going to go over the kick-ass trade for this week, the week of December 7th, and we'll just do a review of last week's trade, which of course was a great trade. Last week, issued on the site, it's a free service there for kick-ass trades. You just, it's one of the, what I do is I scan many hundreds of charts. I come up with a watch list for the week. It's called a 10 for 1,000 watch list. I also come up with daily watch lists for the traders out there, and then I come up with one what I call the kick-ass trade of the week. One of the best, probably the best setup on the week. And if I had one shot to take, and I had one stock to make, I would. That's how I kind of categorize the kick-ass trade. So. Last week was SanDisk, and you can see this nice falling wedge pattern. The falling wedge patterns are showing up in the market these last couple days, actually the last week, and coming into this week I have a lot of falling wedges setting up. So this is a very bullish scenario. Falling wedge is usually a reversal pattern, and we could go more into the pattern in another video. But you could see the obvious pattern here, and then I talked about why I like SanDisk, the book value, the history between SanDisk and Toshiba, and especially this pattern and the way it's pushing up against the 20-period moving average, and the bullish stochastics here. So the week goes on, and then we got a little pullback, and then boom, an explosion up out of the falling wedge pattern. So this one, went back from $7 to $9, so that's a great return. It was an excellent trade for this week. I know a lot of people over in the chat room were following this one, made a lot of money. Actually, some people are still holding it, and it actually looks good to go. I had a target about $11 on it, but I would definitely be out of this one at $10. So, going into this week's kick-ass trade candidate. Now, it was kind of a toss-up. I had a few good stocks that I came across, but again, the kick-ass trade has to be one stock, one chance. So I'm putting on NYSE NYX exchange-traded stock here, the NYX. And again, another candidate for a falling wedge pattern. And you can see the falling wedge pattern, how that develops. You have a wider opening at the end of the pattern, and it slowly compresses as the lower lows slowly start to compress to upward until finally you don't have a lower low, and then you get, and everything's just right along this good downward trend line, which is important to have. So this one's a really embedded, very good downward trend line. We have the bottom trend line. We have the wedge pattern right here. Stochastics pulled back, actually not looking that bad, and there's a lot of information coming out on this one. There's talk of there's chatter, as they say out there. There's chatter of a merger, and I keep on discussing on the site and on the radio how I really believe the market would put in a pretty decent permanent bottom if there was a couple big mergers or acquisitions in the market, meaning the valuations of some of these big stocks are getting really undervalued, and they're going to be scrapped up by other companies. So I'm still waiting for that to happen, but I'm starting to see that happen in rumors out there, and Alchemy and SanDisk and stuff are starting to pop on all these rumors. So look for NYX to maybe start popping this week. Basically, the chart will be posted on the site with the updates with the buy trigger, and the stop on that. So that's at DayTradingRadio.com. There's also live radio all day, market broadcast, live and free. Just go there, click on the radio link, and it comes right up. Also have a good chat room, live chat room, some great traders in there, scalpers and long-term swing traders, and I'm out there bringing you the education and trading the markets live every day. So I hope you can come by here. So this is this week's kick-ass trade, NYX. I will see you in the markets. Thank you very much.